to the cabin life in Iceland. I just want to take you around. So yeah, we just pulled up. Just get in, and it looks just like that. How cute. As soon as you get in, steps, and that's the view. There's like a porch. We have some grill over here, over here, and back there are the mountains. Yep. And that looks like, yeah, there are other cabins around. I really love it here. Like, if I could stay anywhere, I think this would be the place. I'm not kidding with you. Welcome in. Where to have your cots. Look at the view. At that beautiful dining area. Oh my gosh! And the little kitchenette. So that is the cabin life you've seen. It's really beautiful. You see in my background, yep, that's the cabin. It's really cute. It's small, but absolutely beautiful for a family. If your family of 6 or less, I think this would be so ideal for you. And yeah, about the sun, sorry about the sun, but anyways, I love this cabin life. Oh, how we got it? We got it by Airbnb, and yep. And this is super serene, and that's the cabin life. Yep. I hope you loved it.
Next day.
Hey guys, we are at Hraunfossar. This is like a resort. It has a hotel. That's the hotel, parking, and it has like a kids playground. Beautiful place for the kids, family. They have cabins. Yeah, they have everything almost. I love it. I hope you like it too. You can hear kids playing, having fun. Those are the cabins. Let's get away. So many people actually come here. I see families, I see couples, I see, yeah, lots of people. Yeah, see the river. This is beautiful, and you see that. So that's the property. Guys, this is a beautiful, it's like a resort kind of place. and it has everything. It has a place for kids, it has a restaurant, as a hotel, a small store, a convenience store, and yeah, look at the river, and the place is absolutely magnificent. I like this. This is really good. Yeah. Guys, this is the epic place. It's absolutely gorgeous. These are the Barnafoss, really pretty. Have to walk, it's hikeable. That's where we're from, and that's the horizon. So the falls are just literally down there, and you just walk all the way. Woo! This is beautiful. Hey guys, so there's a very sad story with this signpost. As it says, there are kids who drowned. Their parents left them at home. I think they had gone for a church on Sunday, and they came back home to the kids not anywhere in the house, and they had drowned. So the mother of the house just destroyed a sudden cliff of this falls. The rocks, oh my god. You'd think I've had enough of waterfalls, but nah. Every time I see a waterfall, it's really different, guys. The nature here is amazing. If you think all waterfalls are the same, you're kidding yourself. Very different. Finally guys, for this video is the Whales of Iceland, which is the largest whale exhibition of its kind in the world. It features about 23 life-size models of these species found in the Icelandic waters. They range from the smallest to the biggest, and all the way up to the gigantic blue whales. It's like a silicone feeling to it. It's really cool. Oh my god. You can touch them, you can feel them, as you can see as I'm doing. They have like a soft touch, so it's weird. There are more adults than kids. People are inquisitive about whales too. These headphones, they explain how this works. They're mammals, they bleed like normal human beings, like female. They say they have a lifespan of about 60 years, I think. Yep, you can touch them, you can have an experience there in the rides. Yes. So I think it's cool, even adults. I'm listening in the meantime. If I'm making noise, this is funny, but I'm listening to a documentary explaining about whales and stuff like that. In the stomach. Look.
At birth, the calf is about 2 to 3 meters long and weighs between 150
2 to 3 meters long. It's taking half the whale, guys. This is fascinating.
The birth takes place underwater, with the head coming last, as the calf would drown otherwise.
Look.
As soon as the calf is born, the mother swims underneath it and lifts it up to the surface to facilitate its first breath of air. The thick milk seeps out through these slits, rather resembling yogurt than milk. The milk is incredibly rich in fat, and as a result, the calf's size multiplies over the first 4 to 6 months. It is unknown how long the calves follow their mothers, but it can be assumed that they quickly become independent once the milk
In a
ends.
nutshell, they say when the young whales, they're called calves. Who knew whales were calves? Comment below. Guys, comment below if you knew a young whale is a calf. Anyways, they say a calf, when it grows, after birth, they follow their mom for a few months, and then later they go on their own. The oldest that has survived in Iceland, the oldest whale goes to 47 years, but I think longest history says 60 years. They can survive up to 60 years, so it's incredible.
The minke whale's lungs can weigh up to 7 kilograms
Let's look at the
and
lungs.
have much greater proportional air capacity than land mammals. When the minke whale dives, blood gets diverted away from the body parts that can handle a significant reduction in oxygen and pumped into organs that need oxygen the most, for example, the heart, the lungs, and the brain. Minke whales rarely dive for longer than 10 minutes, although it's likely they're capable of diving for longer.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you haven't subscribed already, please click on that button. It's fun, it's lit, it's free. I hope you enjoyed. See you on my next video.